Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. It appears we have some breaking news in the Idaho versus Kohberger case in the form of an order that was rendered this date, March 18th, 2025, by His Honor Judge Stephen J. Hippler. It is denying live witness testimony at the upcoming motions in limine hearings, but it appears that the court has also confirmed that these hearings will be a 2-day event, as we had previously predicted they would be, just by virtue of the numerous large number and the complexity of some of the motions in limine that the parties have filed. Let's take a look at this order. What does it say? It says here, the court having before it the defendant's motion for leave, that means permission, to allow witness testimony at the April 9th, 2025 hearing, that's the first day of the motions in limine, oral argument, ladies and gentlemen, has determined that witness testimony beyond declarations is not likely to be necessary for the court's consideration of the issues before it. Now, what is Judge Stephen J. Hippler saying here? He is basically informing the defense that what he will likely be required to evaluate in the form of evidence, in the form of witness testimony, can be elicited through declarations. That means a sworn written statement, and it's not necessary to have the witnesses also available live in the courtroom to provide further testimony. You'll recall that the court made a similar ruling last fall when the defense attempted to have such witnesses as Dr. Barbara Wolf, a Florida medical examiner, appear live to provide testimony when the defense was seeking to strike the DP. The court also concluded that what he needed was available to him without any further testimony. So this is not the first time, ladies and gentlemen, the court is making a ruling like this. However, there's a caveat here. It says counsel may have the witnesses available by video streaming during the hearing, and should the court determine that it's necessary to hear from the witness, the court may allow such testimony by video live stream. So it's not 100% certain that the defense's witness will be prevented from providing testimony beyond whatever is in the written declaration at hearing. In other words, Judge Hippler is saying, defense, not necessary to have them live in the courtroom. However, have them ready via live stream to take the witness stand remotely in the event Judge Hippler has additional questions. Now, this continues. It is hereby ordered that defendant's witnesses, Cy Ryan and David Howell, shall not be allowed to testify at the hearing being held on April 9th and 10th, 2025, unless the court determines at the time of the hearing that such testimony is needed, in which case it may be produced via video live stream. This is signed by Judge Stephen J. Hippler, and he signs it here as administrative district judge. So we also have here a ruling that's telling us, ladies and gentlemen, as we predicted, that these hearings will likely go 2 days. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. My name's Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.